Hello, everybody, I'm Enchanted Moon and welcome to my channel. I have a witchy unboxing for you, and it's from 9 of Earth for February. Came in this white box here, about that big. Usually the boxes are smaller, so I'm excited. Let's see. Ooh. So when I open it, the box says 9 of Earth inside here. What's it say? Your fate is in your hands. And it has a picture of a hand with all the different zodiac and information, like palm readings, information on it. And then this is what I see as soon as I open it. I hope you guys are seeing that. So it's white on the outside and black on the inside. That's pretty cool. So our theme is... where's my palmistry? What good fortune awaits? So February is palmistry, and right on top is our oracle, and it's huge. It says Oracle of Destiny, 50 cards and guidebook. So this is the front, pretty cool. This is the side. This is the back. This is the other side, the top, and the bottom. And this is from US Games, believe it or not. This must be something new from them, because I have not seen this yet. So I'm going to have to check their site and see if this is something new that has come in for February. Let's just take a quick peek. Okay. So, it has the bottom that comes out like that. We have, oh, it does, a nice big, thick guidebook. And it goes over the card. So it's like, it's an oracle card. Okay, so they're oracle cards. Gives you an idea what they look like. And then you got this pink box in there. And give you a quick look at some of the cards. They're very colorful. And I think you get... $50 cards. So you get 50 cards, and then you get this awesome big thick book. This nice little carrying case, box, nice and sturdy. So that is our first item. Our second item right on top here, they have beautiful jewelry that they put in boxes. Their boxes always have usually some kind of necklace or bracelet, and they're always such a nice quality. And this one is like a gold color. Pretty gold color, and it's the back, pretty nice. And we have the eye in the hand. So that's pretty. So we have that pretty necklace. Then we have this pretty gray, velvety feel sachet. And in here we have, ooh, A beautiful green venturine heart. Nice size. We have bubble wrap item here. And this is 9 of Earth Fortune Teller Palm Oil. Very cool. It has essential oils of sandalwood, mugwort, patchouli, orange, frankincense, ylang-ylang, and cinnamon. Pretty bottle here. Gold top. We have a cute little mini smudge stick. Looks like California white sage to cleanse our area. Ooh, we got some. We even got a book. Palmistry book, pretty color. Hardcover. Ooh, pretty pink inside. And it goes over the different palms. It goes over different lines, minor lines. It goes over lifeline, introduction to the major lines. So it has a lot of good stuff in here. Ooh. Pretty good. How to Read the Messages in Your Hand by Johnny Finkman. Very cool. So we got a nice thick palmistry guide. I think that's it on that side. And then we have this big item right here. And we also got, it's like ceramic or resin maybe, palmistry hand. And it's got the moon faces on the bottom here. Bracelets of life. Pretty black, nice and big. Wow, a lot of good items in this box. I'm gonna take this piece out and this fluff. The whole box is like that inside and that. So it's really cool how they make these boxes just to go with their theme. Which is pretty awesome, guys, I gotta say. February's box is pretty cool. Just gonna put that down here. I want to go over. Let's see what the paperwork says about our palmistry box. So, it goes over of course, the Oracle of Destiny by Azura D'Agostino. And it is $23.95. Palmistry is an ancient historic tradition practiced around the world. Interest in palmistry and chiristry derives from the fascinating idea that the physical body carries signs of the soul that can be interpreted and reveal profound aspects of the individual. Then it goes into the palmistry hand. 21.25. Capture the essence of love and destiny with this gorgeous palmistry hand statue made of cold cast resin, featuring the I love you sign. Did not know that. Crafted with charming detail, the hand-crafted statue, what are you doing? Beautifully merges the art of palmistry with modern, playful touch, with fingers sculptured to form the iconic I love you gesture. It symbolizes the intertwining of love and fate in our lives. What are you doing, Looney? I hear you. She's playing with stuff she's not supposed to. Then we got the Good Fortune tarot necklace here. It says value of $17. Step into the realm of fate and fortune with the palmistry hand tarot. Suspended with the dainty chain is captivating pendant. Showcases the beautiful detailed palmistry. Hand delicated place atop of a tarot card adorned with the word fortune, symbolizing the interconnectedness of destiny and divination. It is 18 karat gold plated chain. Then it goes into the book, Palmistry book by Johnny Finman, $9.99. Dive into the ancient art of palmistry with this comprehensive guidebook. Discover secrets held within the lines of your hands as you embark on the journey of self-discovery and insight. Very cool. And then this is saying Blue Sage cleansing stick for $3, but this is white sage. Oh yeah, because down here it says, for those who do not like white sage. This is blue sage. Interesting. I guess I'm wrong. But it really looks like white sage. But it's saying it's blue sage, so I'm going to have to go with what they say. Okay, so for anyone who doesn't like to use California white sage, or for any kind of reason, the blue sage here grows wild in the deserts of southwestern United States, and it is not endangered. It smells good. And it's good for cleansing and getting rid of negativity. Then we got the Fortune Teller Palm Oil, $14.99. Unlock the mysteries of fate with your Fortune Teller Palm Oil, infused with a blend of enchanting essential oils and mystical botanical extracts. Good for clarity, guidance, and good fortune in your readings. And then last but not least, the beautiful bag with the Aventurine Heartstone. Aventurine, $9.99. Incorporate like adventure into the readings and palmistry. Hands are believed to reveal information about the individual's character, personality, and potential fortune or future. Gemstones are sometimes used to enhance certain qualities. I'd love to know what she's showing up. I'm so sorry she's there. So that is February's 9 of Earth. What did you think about it? What's your favorite item? It's always worth it. They always give you so much wonderful items to go with their deck of the month. And this is no exception. I love it. I'll leave you the information down below, guys. Thank you for watching.